Deadly crash. 2 people have been killed and several others are in hospital after an accident on the Sea to Sky Highway last night. Burnaby police investigation. Officers spent the night in the Metrotown area after an overnight incident. Plus, pot and pets. A warning for animal owners about the dangers of marijuana after a Vancouver area dog accidentally gets stoned.
6:59, welcome to Wednesday morning here on BT. If you're just joining us, great to have you along for the ride. TJ and Riaz here in the 7 o'clock hour. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Riaz.
Yeah.
Where's your blazer?
Okay, you know what? You know how hard it is?
You look half
to
naked
have a
to
blazer
me.
with a pocket square today? I forgot my key. My blazer's in my locker, so I feel naked out here.
Thanks for joining us on BT. Coming up, a really great story for you. It's about a group of tennis wheelchair players from here in Vancouver, the Lower Mainland. They're going on an exciting trip, courtesy of a Japanese businessman. This story is coming up very soon on BT. But for now, let's get to this morning's headlines. And with all this morning's news, here's Kyle.
Thanks, you guys. Good morning. 2 people have been killed and 6 others have been sent to hospital after a crash on the Sea to Sky Highway last night. It happened shortly after 7:30, just north of Squamish. Those who were injured have been taken to several hospitals across the Lower Mainland. Some of them have very serious injuries. The cause of the accident still under investigation. The highway was shut down for about 8 hours. Many commuters were stranded in their vehicles as there was no detour in place to get around this crash. The highway eventually reopened to traffic at around 2:30 this morning.